guys, it's Istebrak. The 1 week sale on PortraitStudio is now live. I may extend it to 2 weeks after today. I hope the sale will allow the majority of you to purchase PortraitStudio and benefit from its power and utility. Don't worry, all updates are free after this one-time purchase. So go grab your copy if you've been waiting for a sale, if you're interested in owning PortraitStudio. To purchase your copy, you just have to go to istebrak.com/store and you'll be able to find that and all my brushes. I have also put my brushes on sale for those interested in all my brushes. PortraitStudio is a reference generation software. It's an engine that generates references for you. It gives you control of lights and camera. It has a high variety of static models in the model library. Male and female busts with customizable facial features and expressions. Male and female posable mannequin figures, so you can pose, you can change the camera to perfect your perspective for reference building if you're working on a comic book and you need to get a reference instantly. I know that you can buy mannequins, but they take up space on your desktops, and so I said let's just have them included in PortraitStudio since we already have the control of the camera and the lights. Multiple texture profiles for all the models, from chrome to reflective to matte and smooth. Multiple types of lights, including universal light, floodlight, sharp point light, camera light, directional light, spotlight, and customizable object light and ambient light, all color and size adjustable. Different performance profiles based on user PC specs, and enhanced lighting controls for higher performance user PCs. So if you have one of those high NVIDIA graphics cards, you can run PortraitStudio on full power. Environment controls through the background and floor controls, camera control and a screenshot camera, file saving and loading, as well as the ability to share saved profiles between users. It is just an invaluable resource. The one big thing that's coming up for this upcoming update is a posable hand model, which I myself have helped to sculpt, and it's going to be a kind of a unisex model. It's not going to be male or female specific. It's going to be posable, so you have control over the full mobility of a human hand. And I think that's going to be groundbreaking for me specifically. But I wanted to give you guys a chance to own this wonderful machine. So the sale will be this Friday the 16th at 12 or 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and it will go on for about a week unless people need it for 2 weeks. If there isn't a bulk amount of you that need it all the way till the end of the month, I will stretch it to 2 weeks. So thank you to everyone who's bought it at full price. Thank you to those who supported us and bought it way back when it came out, when it was just a tiny little baby, but now it's become a full-grown, beautiful machine, a beautiful engine. And I hope it's helped you guys instruct. I hope it's helped you guys learn. Just the power of the camera and learning rotation is amazing for visual library building and reference generation in your mind when you're working without reference. So you can empower that pool of knowledge that you have in there and enrich it constantly. And of course, it's amazing for planning scenes and taking screenshots, storyboarding. The list goes on of its benefits. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have fun using it. There are a massive amount of controls. So thank you everyone for purchasing your copy. Thank you to those who are going to take advantage of the sale. Thank you for all your support. Happy shopping. Bye.